I'm Mark Hester from the Imagination Factory, and I'm one of the directors.
I'm Roger Gray. I'm the design director at the Imagination Factory, and my area of specialty is basically taking the client's ideas from just an idea all the way through to production.
Yeah, so recently we did a project with several members from the 10 network. There was Anatomy, Futuretonic, Willustrator and ourselves, and that enabled us to, in a very agile way, bring together lots of different skills from human-centered design, insights and graphic communication and some technology input.
It will be the way of working in the future because the clients are now expecting much more from you as a service provider, and this enables us to pick and choose the skills we need for each individual project without having them all in-house when we don't know when we're going to be able to use them or when we need to.
It systemizes some of the other aspects of doing business, whether that's getting contracts right or having the right level of insurance, which as an individual company you'll be familiar with, but when you start to work with other people, things can rapidly get a bit complicated. And I think that provides confidence to the client, but also to yourselves when you're organising the project. You know that the people that you're engaging with have got really good track record and that you can work together